Hey guys, welcome back. Anshul here. So today I'm going to be talking about some things that you can do in Scratch. So do you know what Scratch is? Scratch is a very amazing app. Go download it if you haven't. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to insert a background and how to make this character move back and forth like that. So if you want to apply a good, decent background, just double click here, select the backgrounds option, then input option, and then I have already selected the nature file, and then you can select anything you want. So let me select Grand Canyon. So as you can see, the background is applied. So the next thing, how do you make this character to move back and forth? It's very easy. So let me teach you. So double click on this character. Select the scripts. Go to the control option and you can select any control. So I will select when the green flag is clicked. Then go to motion and select move 10 steps. And change this 10 steps to 100 steps. And then go to control again and select the forever option. And again to the motion option and select this if edge bounce. So these are the things to make the character move back and forth. So let me just show you. See, it goes back and forth.